13 hours later. Here we are visiting Aventura. It is 8th of May, Mother's Day, and the Aventura is sinking a little bit. Good morning everyone. It's 7 a.m. and it's time to head to Äänekoski. So here we are at Äänekoski. Today's job is wet sanding the surface, sides of Aventura, the red parts, to make it shine. Last summer I painted it and now I have to make it shine. There is some orange peel and some bugs that I need to fix. Here is how the surface looks right now. You see, there is one bug right there. Let's see how shiny I can get it. There is a lot of wet sanding to do. So it is time to do some test sanding using 2000 grip wet sanding. It's wet sanding paper and some soapy water. Let's see how it evens out the surface. How I can get the orange peel out. So the decision is to use 1200 grit paper first pass and then 2000. Let's see. It knocks down the surface better. It should. So the first side is done with 1200 grip and 2000 grip at the first time. There is still some orange peel. So I'm thinking about making another pass with a 200 grip paper and then with 4000 and then buffing, of course. But let's take some heating at this time. It is half 11 a.m. So I have been working 2.5 hours at this one side. It's going to be fun. Working man's lunch. Back of the Volvo and in the shade. Cup of coffee, banana and bread. The lunch is eaten and it's time to make another batch with the 2000 grit paper. New paper. First test pass of a puffing is done. "13 hours later, Aventura is back under tarp. Sites look quite nice, but not nice, that nice that I was planning. It's definitely better, but I didn't manage to knock down all the apple orange peel, I mean. I decided to put the swim ladders on this side because there is just an centimeters of more space. like this. It's time to drill the pilot hole. It is always nice to drill a hole in a boat. Tight fit for an M6 screw or bolt because I'm a carpenter, educated to be a carpenter. I'm always talking about screws, but in fact bolts they are. Now I have to measure the backing plate, how tall or how long it should be, and then making holes to that. When you are a dude and you weigh about 100 kilos, it's almost nice to climb in the lazarette, especially when you only have 24-foot boat. Oh fuck, no hole to be seen. I must have drilled it in a closet apartment. Because first hole went straight to abyss. There is no other choice than drill another hole. It should come to lazarette this time. Luckily I have a solution for the hole. I just drill it. But we'll see if that works out. Something to look for in the future episodes. Let's see if we can drill a hole that we can actually access. It should be pretty straight there. There is a little bit more fiberglass in that one, so it should be good. Yes, we are in lazarette. Not in a hospital, but in that storage place which locates stern of the sailboat. Those of you who are not a Finns, we have this saying, mennä lasarettiin, elikkä it means going to the hospital. So the lazarette, you get the idea. Here again, I drilled that one hole to abyss, and let's see if we can fix it with the rivet nut. So the rivet nut which I'm talking about is this kind of rivet with the gear inside. You use these pliers to put the rivet nut in. So everything is looking good, except one packing plate needs to be cut down, a corner out. And then Sikaflex and the joints and tightening everything.
Aventura is just days away from Splash and just a couple of things to do on water before we can start sailing. Thank you for watching.